Hi everyone, good afternoon. You're watching the newsroom on ET now. I'm Mubina Kapasi. Let's take a look at what the equity markets are up to. Well, we've sort of rebounded from the low point and back at 13,933, 60 points being added for the Nifty, and the SENSEX is higher by 250 points. So it's turning out to be a great week. The Nifty Bank, in fact, has gone higher as well, now clocking in 1.3% of gains, and that's largely the reason why we are seeing so much of momentum. In fact, keeping it with the banking space, take a look at IndusInd Bank, more than 4% of gains. It's, I think, definitely among the top Nifty gainers, among the top gainers in the banking space. That's a very interesting counter. I think it's gone back above the 900 rupee mark. Yes, 903 for that stock. So that's, I think, one of the big gainers on the Lal Street and for the Nifty Bank as well. I want to flag off another counter, and that is Wipro. The buyback for this one opens today, and we have seen the stock price hit a 52-week high, 386 rupees for the stock. Additionally, it was at, of course, 390. 390 is the high point, but it slipped off from there. But yeah, it's a 9,500 crore rupee buyback, which essentially opens from today till the 11th of January, not to mention it's also the 75th anniversary. Another counter that I would like to flag off is Sbi Cards. The stock actually did gain quite a bit in the earlier part of the day, but now it's sort of cooled off. We had Kotex Securities essentially initiating coverage over here. They've kept their target price at 900 rupees, so we're just about 50 odd rupees away from that target. But yeah, this is something that's worth flagging off Sbi Cards for you. Remember that we've as well been talking about Sbi Cards and how there's been a surge in terms of activity on digital transactions, which will obviously bode well for Sbi Cards too. Moving on then, let's also look at some of the big movers in the broader markets. We are seeing a significant amount of traction in small cap name Rupa and Company. There is news over here, 17% higher for Rupa. This after Abacus Emerging Opportunities Fund has purchased 12 lakh shares at a price point of 250 rupees. So they are, that is something that, is causing the stock price of Rupa as well to surge quite significantly. In fact, it's a very big surge seen over there. And finally, I think another stock worth flagging off is Bharat Ventures. I'm not sure if there's any news over here, but I think it's after very long that we are seeing this kind of a move over here, more than 10% of gains.